Miss Emma.
Hi, Fluffy.
How are you?
I'm well. How about you?
Oh, I'm doing real good. I'm glad you came by today because I want to show everybody how to make pizzas because guess what?
What is it?
I'm having a pizza party.
Oh, I love pizza parties.
Yeah, my friends are coming by from school
Uh-huh.
and my family's coming over.
Oh, so we need to have lots of pizzas for them.
We're going to make lots of pizzas, but I wanted to show my friends out there how to make the kind of pizzas that I like.
Oh, okay. We can do that.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So can we so the first thing is we got all our stuff here. So I want to show everybody the stuff we have here.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so before we get started, let's take a look at what our ingredients are. Okay, so here we have a frozen cheese pizza. Good cheese pizza. We have fresh pepperoni, delicious pepperoni. We have some shredded mozzarella cheese. That's good cheese. Then for the adult pizza, we have some onions and mushrooms. Then come spices and seasonings. We have crushed red pepper and we have some oregano. And those are all our ingredients that we'll be using today.
All right. So now that you guys see everything we have here, Miss Emma's going to slowly cut off the plastic off the pizzas because that's really, really important. Always remember to cut the plastic off the pizzas before you put them in the oven. Now, what we're going to do is once she has the plastics off, we're going to put our favorite ingredients on there. And I want you out there to think about your favorite ingredients. Everybody knows that Miss Emma's favorite ingredient is pepperoni because she told us before that's her favorite kind of pizza.
I love it. Have you ever tried putting some anchovies on your pizza?
Anchovies. Oh, my uncle. He puts anchovies, garlic, and black olives.
Wow. Black olives.
He has the worst breath. He's got stinky breath. Let's start with this pizza here.
Okay.
Let's make this one half pepperoni and cheesy.
Okay, we can do that. We'll put in a little bit of cheese in this
Okay,
one.
so Miss Emma's going to take the fresh cheese and put a lot of it on.
And pepperonis.
it's
How many
pepperoni.
pepperonis
Huh?
do you want? How many pepperonis do you want?
Oh, just load it up. It's pepperoni
okay,
pizza.
All right.
Don't hold back.
Okay.
Okay.
Beautiful.
All right, so
And what do you want on the other side?
which side is that?
On the other side of the pizza.
This side of the
Yes.
pizza? Nothing. Well, hold on. Will you put just a touch of oregano?
Just a touch.
Because we have oregano and pepper.
Okay. All right.
Okay, just a touch though. Make it so it's just a little bit. So it's very Italian. I like the Italian flavor.
Gotcha.
Ooh, yeah, that looks good.
There we go.
Oh boy.
Okay, our first pizza is all set. Now
Okay.
we can move on to the second pizza.
Yeah, let's make this one. We're gonna call it the adult pizza
The adult. Okay.
because we're gonna make this the way my family always makes the pizzas for the grown-ups.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
So this is the grown-up pizza.
And what do you want on that pizza?
Pepperoni, of course. Who doesn't like pepperoni? Just a little bit. They don't overdo it because they're grown-ups.
Okay.
Yeah.
Some
Onions and the
onions,
mushrooms. Oh, look at
some
that.
red onions.
Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh, did you put any mushrooms in there?
Not yet. I'm
Why don't you
gonna
put
go
some
ahead and
mushrooms
add
in
some mushrooms.
Yeah. My mom really likes mushrooms. She always has them in her salads.
Oh, they're
Yeah.
delicious.
Every time we go out for dinner, she has mushrooms in her salads. She likes them. Now, be real careful with that red pepper because I know that they like the red pepper, but just put a little bit on there for them
We'll do
if
that.
you don't mind.
Just a little spicy.
Just a little bit of red pepper.
A little spicy
Oh, that
for
looks
the
so good.
adults.
And that cheesy pepperoni pizza looks really good. I can't wait.
All right, we have pepperonis, we have onions, mushrooms, a little bit of spicy peppers. What else would you like?
Throw a
to put?
little dash of the oregano on
A
there.
little bit of the oregano.
Just
Okay.
a dash.
Okay.
Is there any cheese left?
There is a little bit of cheese left.
Why don't you put the rest of the cheese on there for them?
This one? Okay.
I think the adults will like having all that cheese on there. Oh, Miss Emma, these are going to be so good. Okay,
Yeah.
I think it's time to put them in the oven.
I think so. They're
Okay,
ready.
now, guys, remember, the oven is very, very hot. So don't touch the oven. Ask an adult to put the pizzas in the oven and take them out of the oven. So, Miss Emma, are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will go ahead and take these
So,
pizzas.
Miss Emma's gonna go put these in the oven. So, I'll see you guys, and Miss Emma will see you guys in a few minutes. Let's go.
All right. So now this is really important. You have to let your pizzas cook in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes because they gotta get hot and the cheese has to melt and the pepperoni has to get real hot. And on the adult pizza, well, it needs to get warm too, so it's hot and ready to eat. But I think it's time to take them out, so I'm gonna help Miss Emma, okay? See my hand? There's my hand. I'm helping Miss Emma. Oh, she uses a special thing. It's so she can pull the pizzas out and she doesn't burn her hands. She puts them on top. She pulls out the adult pizza. She puts that on top. Now we gotta let the pizzas cool for 10 minutes because we don't want to burn ourselves like our mouths or our fingers when we touch them. Okay, so let them cool. Now let's just. Ooh, it's gonna cool down. Cool down.
Okay, guys, now that the pizzas are out of the oven, we've let them cool for about 10 minutes, so you could touch them if you had to. The reason we don't want to eat them when they're fresh out of the oven, you could burn your mouth, and that wouldn't be fun. So Miss Emma's going to cut up the cheese and pepperoni first.
Yes.
Ooh, look how good
gonna
that
be our
pizza looks.
first one.
That's a delicious looking pizza.
Here
Miss
it
Emma's
is.
got a special way of cutting it. She uses a tool that's made just for cutting pizzas. It's called a pizza cutter.
Uh-huh.
It's a
Yes.
very, very sharp wheel that cuts through the pizza in a nice clean slice. But remember, always have your parents or an adult cut the pizza for you. Ooh, Miss Emma, look how much cheese is on that pizza.
It's very cheesy.
Oh,
right.
wow.
I'm going to try to make 8 slices
Oh,
out of this.
you're going to cut it into 8 slices?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
And now the pepperoni one, my favorite.
Ooh. Now she's going to cut the pepperoni pizza. See,
Yeah.
by breaking them up, we can give our friends a couple different choices of types of pizza to eat. We don't have to make one pizza just one solid thing. We can make it a couple different
Yeah,
things.
make it fun.
Those are beautiful. That's like the cheesiest pepperoni pizza I've ever seen in my life. I think we're going to have to make some more pizzas before our friends and family show up. I think me and Miss Emma are going to eat all these pizzas.
All right, I think we're ready for the other one.
Oh,
too.
okay.
The adult one.
This is the adult pizza. When we go to the pizzeria with my family, I watch the guys make the pizzas and they throw them up in the air and they spin the dough. It's so cool. Oh, wow.
What do you think, Fluffy? Should we cut them into smaller pieces or should we give adults a bigger piece?
I think the adults would like a bigger pizza.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
We'll cut them into 4.
Oh,
Okay.
so you'll cut that one into 4 pieces.
Yep.
Oh,
There you go.
oh, wow. So you can cut.
Done.
So you can cut 1 pizza into 8 pieces,
Yeah.
or you can cut 1 into 4 pieces.
Yes.
Wow! I didn't know you could cut it like that. Those are even numbers.
Yes, they are.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Oh, Miss Emma,
All right, we're all done, Fluffy.
thank you so much for helping me make
No
pizzas.
problem, Fluffy.
This was so much fun. All right, Miss Emma, can I have a hug?
Oh, yes.
Oh, thank you.
We did it. We worked together, Fluffy.
We did. We had teamwork.
Yes.
All right. Thanks, Miss Emma.
Oh, you're welcome, Fluffy.
Hey guys, did you enjoy this how-to video on how to make pizzas? If you did, remember to give us a big thumbs
Thumbs
up.
up.
And also, subscribe to our channel, Miss Emma and Fluffy, for all our cool videos and story time and how-to. And don't forget to watch some of our Spanish lessons where Miss Emma teaches me how to speak Spanish. because it's fun.
Oh,
All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.
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 See you. Bye.
Mwah.